This is Sony Xperia XA2 and today I will show how you can set up parental controls on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch settings, then enter the accounts category and remove any Google accounts you have over here if you have those accounts to begin with. Then get back to the main settings page, enter Google category. Onwards, tap at the parental controls, get started, child or teen, next. Now you gotta log into your child's Google account, so let me quickly do that off the screen. So proceed with the Google sign-in as you would normally do until the child's account will be successfully logged into. Then select it from the list over here. Onwards, you will need to input credentials for or of another Google account, this time parental one, or simply log into Google account you will use to supervise your child's activity, to put it, well, more apparent, So anyway, input the email address, then follow it by entering the password. After the parental account will be successfully signed into, you will be forwarded to the About Supervision page. Over here, input the child's Google account password once again. Then hit the agree button. Enable or agree at the profile manager and wait for the parental and parent and child accounts to get linked. Once they are, you can continue to the next step. Over here you can disable or enable some of the apps that are already installed on the child phone, or you can just do nothing and set up your child app experience later on as well. And well, that's exactly what I'm going to do. The same applies for, or the same can be said about the following step, that is manage filters and settings, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, so here it is. You can either set those or skip and do it later on. From here, you can either automatically download and install the Family Link app on your parental phone, or you can just finish the setup on the child's end and manually download the Google Family Link app on your parental phone, of course. So let me quickly take mine. So here it is. And now we will download and install the said Family Link app by Google. So let me quickly do that. So once installed, obviously launch it. Over here, make sure to sign in with the parental account. And here is the full list of controls that you have an access to. Alrighty, so that will be it as far as setting up parental controls on this Sony smartphone goes. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching and bye bye.